Dripping Saint Laurent, she got the perfect face. Thumbing through the deck of 52 and she the highest rank. She don't answer questions, she mysterious like the ace of spades. Rebel.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. Welcome to our vlog. So I'm going to my friend's place. We're meeting after quite some time, so I thought I'll take you all along. Ignore the mess, please. Nothing fancy, we're just gonna chill at her place. So this is my little OOTD. I thought of like dressing up because why not? We don't go out anywhere anyway. So this is my fit. Black shirt from H&M. This I don't know. And these earrings and this neck piece looks cute. Let's go.
इसे कर अच्छा नहीं किया तुमने मुझे पता
यही जाएगा
ये हमेशा ऐसी होती है फिर से कर Hi man but I look gorgeous while eating too, you know.
I'm back home after a very fun day and I want to show you what I got because there's a bunch of stuff. So firstly, my mom is basically helping the small farmers in Himachal to sell their apples here, and as you can see they're literally so fresh and juicy. They taste super good and they're straight from the Himalayas. I'll put a link of their page in the description. You have to follow them and buy from them as well because it's for a good cause also. These apples are like completely organic and chemical free, no preservatives are used. So this is definitely a must have in your homes, and it's finally the season of apples, so definitely check them out. And now she also happened to give me my birthday gift after so long, but nonetheless it's here. And she gave me the most fanciest things ever. First off, there's this shoulder bag, and just look at it. You will never see me wearing something like this, but now that I have it, I feel so fancy. I'm like, chalo, ab bas party karne jana hai isko leke. This is literally so cool. It also has like a long sling, but obviously it looks much cooler as a shoulder bag. I'm excited to use this somewhere. Then she gave me my favorite things ever, scrunchies in 3 colors, and I don't have these colors, so that's good. And lastly, she also gave me these fancy pearl clips. These are actually super trendy right now, so I'm really looking forward to use these as well. They're so cool. I will see you tomorrow. Hey, it's the next day and it's 9 AM, which is way too early for me, and that's the reason I'm so sleepy. But it's finally vaccination day. I'm finally getting my second dose of vaccine, so that's good because I'm going to be fully vaccinated now. And even the vaccination and stuff is done, so that's amazing. Like literally it did not even take 1 millisecond to get the vaccine. I sat on the chair and by the time I could even adjust my camera and like start the video, vaccine already lag chuki thi. It was that quick, so like mujhe legit pata bhi nahi laga ki chalo ho gaya, theek hai. Obviously as of now I'm not feeling anything. So recently I've been getting a lot of questions in the comment section ki, you know, how to prepare for the exams that are coming up literally in a few months, I guess, and y'all are not understanding kahan se shuru kare, because many of you have not started studying, which is not a good thing. And the first thing you need to do to ace these exams is basically start studying by practicing questions. So I have the perfect book for that. This is Educart's question bank, although this one's for English, but it's available in all other subjects as well. And you definitely have to check this out because I went through the book and I actually find it very helpful. It is obviously according to the new CBSE pattern. It has the objective and subjective based questions both, so basically it's an all-in-one for both term 1 and term 2. It has more than 100 MCQs and even extract based questions with complete answers and detailed explanations, as well as the toppers answers and questions from the past 10 years. And lastly, it also has self-practice questions so that you can ace your exams. Basically the books of Educart are like an all-in-one guide. I know so many of you do not like to read the NCERT because there's too much text, but these question banks actually have summarized the entire chapter in a few pages so that you can quickly go through it and start solving questions directly. It has more than 100 MCQs for every chapter, which is a lot of practice, and that is exactly what you guys need. In fact, I would suggest that you guys should buy their all-in-one bundle because that will help you to easily study all the subjects for the exam. Using this book, you will be able to learn and understand the concepts better, and you guys should definitely get your hands on this book. You can easily purchase this from Amazon, Flipkart, as well as Educart's website, and in fact there are a lot of discounts going on right now. Obviously all the links are in the description, so definitely check them out. By the way, similar books are also available available for class 10. So even class 10 students should definitely check it out. Now I'm gonna take you all through my day. Not that I do a lot of exciting things, but I'm going to try to make it fun. As of now, I'm just working on a video and also finally watching the show The Bold Type. Actually, it's been a few days since I watched it and I'm already on season 4. So that's a lot. But I really like the show. It's just so much fun to watch. So I'm gonna continue working and watching that show now. Okay, so it is 6 o'clock and I have finished my work. I finished editing the video and for some time I was watching the show. I completed the entire show as well. I finished all 4 seasons and yes, I would highly recommend the show. There's so much going on. The ending was pretty good. Okay, I just found out this show has a freaking season 5 and it is not released on Netflix. It's on their original app, Hulu, whatever that is. Hamare Netflix pe they have not put that season yet. It's so freaking interesting because I just checked out their Instagram page and there was this one reel just they showed season 5 ka ek baar and I'm just like, oh my god, I need to see it right now, and Netflix pe season 5 nahi hai. That's so annoying. And now I'm thinking what I should do. I want to do something interesting, but now probably I'm gonna start working on my coloring book because it's been quite some time. I obviously completed this one and I did the next one as well. I'm gonna start this new bird one today. Seems pretty complex, but I'm gonna do this now. Vaccination update. So far so good. Like obviously my arm is hurting a little. I mean, it's not hurting. I can't really put my arm up that easily, but it's not like hurting. If I press it, then obviously it will. So it's 11 o'clock and I'm probably just gonna sleep now. But as for the update, it's actually quite similar to the first dose of my vaccine. Like my arm obviously hurts and I'm feeling very like tired and lethargic basically, and aise thoda dizzy types lag raha hai. I'm just gonna sleep now and see you tomorrow. Okay, wow, the sunlight is so good. I'm literally looking so glowy. But anyway, it's the next day and yes, the side effects of the vaccine are over. I'm feeling perfectly fine. In fact, the second dose of the vaccine, it wasn't even as bad as the first one. Like I did not have to take any medicines and I slept aaram se raat ko, so that's good. And yeah, that's about it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Follow me on Instagram. And until next time, bye.